Think you can't succeed in affiliate marketing because you're a beginner? Wrong. Find out the 3 shocking mistakes that are killing your affiliate income and the secrets to turning it all around before it's too late. Many beginners in affiliate marketing quickly find themselves facing a daunting obstacle: analysis paralysis. This occurs when the sheer number of niche options available makes choosing just one seem like an impossible task, leading to a cycle of doubt concerning profitability and expertise. This paralysis can significantly delay one's progress before any real steps are taken. Surprisingly, the most successful affiliate marketers didn't kickstart their careers by homing in on the highest earning niche. They chose subjects that piqued their interest and ignited their passion. This distinction is important because when you're truly passionate about your niche, your focus shifts from solely making sales to sharing valuable knowledge and enthusiasm with your audience. Authenticity in your approach attracts and retains a more engaged audience, enriching the affiliate marketing journey. Yet, it's important to not completely disregard the profitability of a niche. Striking a balance between your interests and what the market desires is essential. The key lies in conducting targeted research to align your passions with market demand without getting lost in the minutiae. I'm curious to hear from you. Have you found yourself paralyzed by the array of choices in affiliate marketing? What interests do you have that you believe could translate into profitable niches? I invite you to share your experiences and thoughts below, as I am keen to learn about the unique interests that our community possesses. For content creators, the initial stages of engaging an audience and building a community from scratch are particularly challenging. It's akin to gardening, where merely planting seeds isn't enough. They need consistent care, watering, sunlight, and protection to grow. Similarly, content creation requires more than just publishing. It involves nurturing your audience, understanding their needs, and engaging with them to foster a vibrant community. Sustaining that audience over time is like ensuring a garden stays lush and vibrant. Initially, attracting viewers is only the first step. The real challenge lies in keeping them interested and engaged. Achieving this involves a commitment to quality, regular interaction with your audience through comments and social media, and creating a sense of belonging. This transforms viewers from passive observers into active members of a community, deepening their connection to your content. In the vast expanse of the digital world, content creators are in a constant battle to capture the fleeting attention of their audience. This challenge is particularly pronounced in the realm of affiliate marketing, where the difference between blending in and standing out often hinges on a deep understanding of the audience's needs and challenges. Imagine yourself in their shoes, grappling with their pain points, desires, and frustrations. When you create content from this empathetic viewpoint, you transition from merely broadcasting messages to engaging in meaningful conversations with your audience, thereby fostering genuine connections that go beyond the superficial. Storytelling emerges as a potent tool in this endeavor. A well-crafted story can transform passive viewers into engaged participants, creating a bridge between the practical benefits of affiliate products and the real-life needs of your audience. The challenge lies not just in showcasing the products, but in weaving actionable insights into your narrative, thereby answering the pivotal question, how can this make your life better? This approach does more than capture interest. It adds tangible value, making your content indispensable to your audience. Authenticity is the cornerstone of building trust with your audience. People have become adept at detecting insincerity, and nothing alienates them faster than feeling like a target for sales. By sharing genuine experiences, the highs along with the lows, and maintaining transparency about the products you promote, you lay the foundation of trust. This trust is critical. It transforms your recommendations from mere suggestions into trusted advice. Engagement with your audience should be interactive and reciprocal. Encouraging your viewers to share their experiences and perspectives not only provides you with invaluable feedback, but also cements the sense of community you're striving to build. Consider the last product you purchased based on an online recommendation. What elements made that recommendation resonate with you? I invite you to share your experiences in the comments below, as this conversation is a crucial part of our ongoing dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. But here's the twist: as your platform grows, so do your audience's expectations. They start to seek more sophisticated content, which might include higher production values, more in-depth explorations of topics, or collaborations with guest speakers. The real challenge is in balancing this growth with the essence of what originally drew your audience to your platform. It's about evolving without losing your core identity. The overarching goal extends beyond merely amassing an audience. It's about nurturing a vibrant community, a community where individuals feel seen, heard, and valued, and where they can actively contribute to the conversation. How do you maintain this sense of inclusivity and ensure that your audience feels like an integral part of your community? The realm of search engine optimization (SEO) and the integration of affiliate links is akin to navigating a complex labyrinth. You're tasked with producing content that ascends the ranks of search engines while embedding affiliate links so subtly that they enhance rather than detract from the user experience. Today, SEO is less about exploiting algorithms through keyword stuffing and more about crafting content that genuinely adds value to the reader's life. Your content should aim to solve problems, provide answers, and incorporate affiliate links as a natural extension of the narrative. Being upfront about the use of affiliate links not only adheres to regulations, but also bolsters your credibility with your audience. Moreover, prioritizing the user experience through responsive design, quick loading times, and accessible layouts will not only please your audience, but also curry favor with search engines. Venturing into content creation today is akin to embarking on an exploration of uncharted territories. Tools like Google Trends become indispensable, offering a glimpse into the ebb and flow of global interest, highlighting areas ripe for exploration. Diving into forums and social media, engaging with communities there is like gathering intel from the locals of a newly discovered land. These interactions allow you to identify unmet needs and unanswered questions, providing a solid foundation for content that addresses these gaps. This proactive engagement doesn't just inform your content strategy, it helps to cultivate a community around your brand even before your content is launched. Establishing a strong presence on social media is crucial in today's digital ecosystem. Each platform is a unique environment where your target audience congregates, offering diverse opportunities for engagement. By consistently sharing content that resonates, you transform casual browsers into loyal followers. But the journey doesn't end with social media. Email marketing offers a more intimate channel for deepening relationships with your audience. Through personalized messages and exclusive content, you can nurture these connections, turning followers into a tight-knit community. Engagement through these channels should be more than broadcasting. It's about fostering a two-way conversation, incorporating feedback, and evolving based on your audience's needs. Now, reflecting on your digital journey, have you pinpointed where your audience spends their time online? How do you plan to integrate yourself into their digital world, ensuring your content not only reaches them, but also engages them on a deeper level?